And that's a very common issue. VW stability control light is on, cruise control doesn't work, and ABS light, ABS pump, very common issue, breaks down, and I'm going to show you the reason why. When you're trying to replace it, keep this module on. This whole, that is for steering angle sensor controls. This thing, stability control, and it's got the motor, and it's a very common issue on VWs, Audis, and I'm going to show you the reason. It's a very small thing, but people don't bother to do it. You can see this one. I've just cleaned this one and opened it up. You can see these two connectors on one side and another side. They were corroded, super corroded, because it's placed in the wrong place, right at the bottom next to the wheel and under the battery. That's why it gets corroded. And sometimes brake yards, they remove it, they put it on the shelf for a long time. You can see, you can just remove this one like this. You can see these two pins, they were super corroded both ends, and there was no continuity, and that's why it doesn't work. All you have to do is to clean these two with sandpaper or something, and then put this one back on. You can do it, trick, put it like this, push it down, and then so it goes this way. Like there's a cut here, goes this way. It's a very simple thing, and mechanics will charge you a fortune for it. This thing goes on top here. And that's it. That's the fix. Put it on, screw it, and plug it in. That's it.